guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode number 14 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where I try to grow my portfolio to about $10,000 in the first year of investing. So right now, just to give you guys a quick update, we're at $5,876 or 11% all time. So again, the stock market's kind of been up and down, but slowly progressing. Really happy with my stock picks, and I'll show you guys what I'm buying this week. So as we scroll down here, you can see all of my holdings, and I'll give you a total value of what percentage of each stock that I own in my portfolio. So right now, I want to add into two ETFs that I normally invest in on a dollar cost average basis, one being QQF. Now this follows the NASDAQ 100 index, but it's in Canadian dollars. So it's a great stock for Wealthsimple Trade. Anyone using Wealthsimple Trade because you don't have those conversion factors. So we're gonna buy, like I said, one share of that. Perfect. And next, we're going to invest in another US stock, which is VFV. So this follows the S&P 500, so the top 500 companies in the US. And I'm going to buy one share of this. Again, same concept. It's bought in Canadian dollars through Vanguard. So you don't have to worry about conversion fees. And every time you buy a stock on Wealthsimple, it's free to trade, which is absolutely incredible. Now, I think we do have $56 left, and I'm going to lastly invest in my main ETF that I do invest in. Now, this is more of a Canadian ETF. It's called VDY. It basically follows a high yield index, meaning the stocks that are in this dividend, or in this ETF, follow a high yield dividend payout. So it's awesome to keep getting dividends. As you can see, as we scroll down here, the yield is 3.84%. So I'm gonna buy one share of this just because we have a little bit of money left. And that will be all the buys for today. So just a quick recap, bought one share of QQCF, one share of VFV, and one share of VDY, my three kind of main ETFs that I've been dollar cost averaging, and just keep putting money into over time so that the portfolio can grow long term. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, give me a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe if you want to see me along the journey of my stock investing. There's also a link to Wealthsimple Trade down below if you ever want to get started. You get 2 free stocks if you sign up using my code down below. So I hope you guys have a great day, and talk to you soon.